Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. It's time for the lightning round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Josh in California. Josh.
Hey, Jim. How are you doing?
I am doing well, Josh. How are you?
Good. My grandpa and I are longtime watchers. I was wondering if it's a good idea to sell Dunkin' because coffee and donuts aren't as high demand right now.
I think it's okay to sell it, frankly. My Chapel Trust owns Starbucks. I'm taking it for a long-term view and got big China exposure, which is actually going to be positive. But I would take a pass on Dunkin'. Let's go to Joseph in Connecticut. Joseph.
Hey, James.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I am good. How about you?
Okay, thank you. Where do I start here?
I don't know.
Thank you for all the help you do for us.
Thank you very much. Thank
I
you. I really appreciate it.
A shout out to your daughter out in Spain. I hope she gets home safe when she wants to come home.
Well put. Well put, sir.
And I say that because I'm a brand new grandfather, and I can't see my grandson. He's in California.
Yeah, this is some time. This is some time. I hope this thing ends soon. How can I help?
I am calling about Virgin Galactic.
Well, that's a very speculative stock. You know, it ran all the way up. It had an incredible run, frankly. It went up to 42, but it was a short squeeze. There were so many people betting against it. At these levels, it's come all the way back down. I say it's a decent spec. It's not my favorite because I think I would prefer, if you want spec, I would actually go with Tesla. Let's go to Majid in Michigan. Majid.
Hi, Jim. How are you?
I am good. How about you?
Doing well, thank you. So I'm currently investing in the market, positioning myself long-term. Considering that oil is hovering around $20, wanted to get your thoughts on Marathon Oil.
I think you have to look, when you look at Marathon, you have to look at the debt side. I think that they have, when you see these big yields and you see these stocks really low, it tends to mean that the credit side is not strong. If you want to own an oil, and I do not encourage it, the only one that I think has the balance sheet to get through this period unscathed is Chevron, and it yields 7.5%, and they're deeply committed to that dividend. Let's go to Pat in North Carolina. Pat.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for all your good advice and words of wisdom.
Oh, thank you, Pat.
Back in 2004, I bought some IDEX stock when they were working on a vaccine for mad cow. And I'm wondering now if they are doing anything with the CV-19. Are they working on that also?
You know, I don't know. I've got to call them. My contact with the company has retired, sadly, because he's the greatest, John Ayers. But I will tell you this. I like Chewy, which I think is a way to get food, pet food into your house. I also like Nestle's, by the way, because they own Purina, and they do a great job. Fresh Pet has got some unbelievable numbers, too. There's a lot of great humanization of pet stories that are out there. Let's go to Drew in Connecticut, please. Drew.
Brother Jimmy Chill.
Yo, man, the Chill Man's in the house. What's going on?
Hey, sincere thanks for fighting the good fight in these times.
Thank you.
My stock is Procter Gamble.
Procter & Gamble's had some unbelievable numbers in the last 2 months. The numbers there are probably stronger for their business than I can ever recall. Procter & Gamble with a 2.7% yield, a great balance sheet, is a buy. Buy Procter & Gamble. Let's go to Steve in Maryland. Steve.
Hey, a big sanitized booyah to you. Stay safe. Hey,
yeah, let me give you some.
You're still pretty hot on. I got a nice position in First Horizon. You had this guy on about a month or so ago.
Brian Jordan is terrific. This thing yields 8%. I mean, unless I talked to Secretary Mnuchin, he's not talking about getting rid of the bank dividends like they're doing over in Europe. Brian runs a fantastic bank in the strongest part of the country. I understand there's got to be loan forgiveness, but I think at $8, wow, I mean, $7, enough with the selling. Let's go to Tom in New York, please. Tom.
Hi, Jimmy. This is Tom from New Jersey.
All right, buddy.
A couple weeks ago, good. I spoke with you a couple weeks ago about going into cash, and today my question is in regards to Apache Energy.
Yeah, that's the worst performing stock in the S&P. I have to tell you, I know Mr. Crispin's a good man, but they did this thing in the Alpine High, they wrote it off. They've got too much gas, not enough oil. It's just not a good situation. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.